before we start this video, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe with notifications on. It will be very much appreciated by liking this video. Thank you. Hey YouTube, what's up? Today we are going to learn how to make YouTube intros for free for your channel, for your YouTube, or any kind of things for your own purpose. You don't have to spend any money from your pocket to make these free YouTube intros. You can make them completely free. It's wonderful. Let's see how it's done. Please make sure to leave a like and subscribe. First, open your browser, any Google Chrome or Mozilla or Internet Explorer, whatever browser you use. Let's go there and type panzoid.com. Panzoid.com. Links will be in the description. Now, as you can see, there are a lot of creations or templates or clips that you can edit and use them for free. So let's just check out. Let's see this one. It's quite cool. To the amazing to the intro template #20. Open in ClickMaker. Put in the eye. This mode, the eye mode, is toggle render preview. Means you can see it preview like how it will look. So click play. Let's see. Yo, that is cool. So now you guys probably thinking, how can we edit this name thing? Well, if you go to this box, which is known as objects, find text. Text, where is it? There you go. Here's text. Go here and write whatever you want. Let's write intro. Click on the enter button, and that's it. Now for the results, let's see. Let's go at the start. It's quite long. I can see that. It's not a big issue. You can just edit it out. Now, there's one question in your guys' minds. How can you download this? It's simple. It's easy. As you can see, here's the download button. Click on it. Select the quality you want. I will click balanced, and the format you want, and start video render. Now your video is being rendered. Please stay on this page to ensure your browser continues to process the video. So now what happens is here, like, your video is getting processed. How? And it depends on your internet connections also, I think, and also how fast your browser is actually. So as you can see, I just have to wait for a minute. Okay, let's wait for a minute and see. Now, as you can see, your render is finished. Click below to download. So just click on download your video, or you can return to editing if you have made any mistakes. So yeah, then here's the video. Click on it to preview, and let's check it out. As you can see, it's very good. It's really simple, and it's quite amazing how they make it, and it's really easy, and it's like quite very simple to use. Like almost everyone can use it. It's free. That is the most amazing thing. Go to panzoid.com. Use those free things and make a great channel intro. Thank you for watching this video. Please make sure to leave a like and subscribe